Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is KB Worth Saving 101, and I'm KB, Kim Baker. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I am a lifetime thrifter turned reseller. I currently resell on Poshmark, Mercari, Tradesy. I used to send boxes into ThredUp, and there's a lot more coming this new year. So if you are interested in reseller tips, tricks, and lots of haul videos, then do me a favor and think about hitting that like and subscribe button down below because it will really help me out. Not to mention, YouTube's going to throw in commercials if I get popular anyway, even if I'm not monetized. So help me out. Anyway, today happens to be Thrift Haul Thursday, my favorite day of the week. And this is where I go in and I'm a personal shopper of unique items that are no longer available in stores to resell for profit. So we're going to dive in and see what I got this week. All right. So here we go. It's going to be January. Today happens to be the 21st, so I hope you all had a wonderful holiday. And so now it's time to start listing things that I don't have, which is athletic wear. So I picked up a couple pieces. This is Mondetta, and it is a size medium. It is this athletic skirt. It's a high-low, nice and stretchy. It also has a back zipper pocket, so I think it would be great for biking. That's my thought. I haven't done any research on it, but there you go. Next item is, let's see, this is Tough Athletics. It is a size extra large. It is a skirt, but it looks like a skirt, so there's shorts inside. It does have front pockets and a drawstring waist. It actually has a zipper pocket right here. That's a small zipper pocket. Women, why do they make these pockets so small for us? I don't get it. Anyway, there we go. Get your athletics listed, guys. It's time to make those New Year's resolutions, right? All right. So let's see. This one happens to be a Calvin Klein, size extra large, and is this really super simple casual dress. It's a deep V with sheer detailing and an asymmetrical hemline in an extra large. It also has a back metal Calvin Klein logo. Super soft. Okay. I picked up a Dana Buchman, a size small, and I think this is so freaking adorable. It is this super cute sweater. See if I can hold it. Sorry guys, if all my hangers are taken up. It's a disaster around here. Just being honest. So gosh, okay, there we go. It looks like a cape sweater, military style with this, yeah, and super cool detailing there. So I just absolutely loved it and I picked it up to list in my Poshmark closet. All right, this one happens to be a Bar 3, which this is only the second time I've picked up this particular brand. The first time was in Missouri and it went straight into ThredUp and sold really quick for me. So I thought I would give it another shot. It is just this lightweight knit pink high-low with, you can see some additional detailing in through the sides. If you haven't watched my videos before, I always save my best and favorite items for last. So stay tuned till the end. All right. This is JAASE with this little sewing machine. Whenever you see those funky tags, guys, most likely look at, let's see, I didn't even test it out, I don't think. You find the RN number, see if it matches up with Anthropology, because most likely that's what it's going to be. Anyway, I'm not going to look for the tag. I am totally going to guess. I believe it is, but correct me if I'm wrong. Again, it's this adjustable spaghetti strap with this lace detailing swing dress with a ruffled hem. And there you go. Very soft. So I picked that up. All right. I did pick up 2 items for me to try on. We'll see if they work out. These are a Soft and Sexy AEO tank for American Eagle Outfitters, a size medium. It is this tie-dye scoop neck, kind of like a little swing. So yes, and I picked up another one. This one happens to be a small, so we'll see. Yeah, and just in a different color. All right. Whoop. Here we go. Happens to be Guess by Los Angeles, size 8. It is 100% polyester. It is this sleeveless crisscross mock wrap, and you can see because it has this like little ruffle coming over to the side, so it makes it look like a mock wrap, and tie waist little dress, super soft. Okay. And I picked this up just because, yes, I loved it. It's a size large. This is nothing spectacular. It is just a Be Famous USA, a size large. And again, it is a spaghetti strap swing dress in this gorgeous animal print. It is so soft. And it does have the handkerchief shark bite hem. So yes, I love that style. I wonder if a large will fit me. All right. Now, I picked this up because it was leather. And it's a colored leather. It is Drapers and Demons. It is a size small. Not a brand I normally pick up. It is new with tags or new with buttons. So, and it's in this gorgeous, like, purple. It is a button down. Could be worn as a jacket or as a top. So yes, leather is supposed to be in. Now, I didn't get a lot of stuff, guys, so I'm kind of changing things around. If you watch my channel, you know I don't normally like to pick up pants, but I picked up 2 pairs of pants this week. This one happens to be falconable. It is a size 8. They're 100% linen. They're in this gray with a white pinstriped front pocket, mid-rise, straight leg, dress pant, trouser. So yes, I personally like to look up the value of my items utilizing the ThredUp app to see what their original value was. I don't like looking up on Poshmark because, yeah, there's just too many people that aren't really sellers, or they just are clearing out their closet. They're not active. Yeah, with them going public, they just gave out a whole bunch of information. So you might want to check out that info because there's a lot less users than what they say there is. Anyway, this one happens to be Emmanuel Ungaro, and it is a size 6. This is a silk and linen blend. And these are a flat front, flat back, straight-legged, again, dress pant. I picked up this brand because the Real to Real takes it. So, yes, I have plans. All right. Now, I did go to multiple. I did get some full price items, and I will show you to those at the end. They're my favorites. But this happens to be a Betsy Johnson, and it's in yellow. So I want to say it says medium. It's so hard to read because of the yellow writing, guys. I'm so sorry. So you can't see it. I can't see it. It is like this coral skinny belt, and the nice thing of it is you can go through and make it to any length you want due to the fact that there's all those notches. There you go. Okay. This one is a hot pink with a square buckle, and it is Leather Rock USA, genuine leather, and it says large, size 34. Nice, like 2-inch thick belt. This one happens to be a 9 West. What size are you? Medium. And this happens to be, again, one of those really super neat, sorry. It's 100% leather with this chain detailing in the center. That chain is where you buckle. So again, you can adjust this This would be great for streetwear and punk and all that good stuff. All right. Now, I was really surprised. I go to my Goodwills on dollar days and I try to find a lot of items for $1 that I can go through and flip and make profit. My business model will be changing up a little bit coming in the future here. But I did want to say that even if, like, I didn't go into this one until 2 o'clock, and there was a ton of purses that were $1. So you never know, just because you're arriving late or whatnot, check out everything. And I haven't found purses in quite a while, so I was quite happy. This one just happens to be a pink snake skin reptile print tote, and it is by BCBG Max Azaria. It is a little worn, but I think it would be a great beach bag, and large bags are in, so for $1, I'll be able to make a profit. Okay, this happens to be a fossil, and normally I pick up the leather fossils, but this one is just a, I'm blanking, canvas, right? I'll find a better descriptive word. This is like take 4. I'm fried. Sorry. It is a little fossil bag. It has the little key, and Fossil has done well for me. The last one that I just sold was a cute little red leather crossbody with a little handle, and actually inside that pocket of the purse, I paid $5 for the purse. I made $146 before I ever sold it because it was in the pocket. So yes, that and everything else. There we go. So anyway, I found 2 sacks, and sacks have sold for me both on ThreadUp and out of my closet. So for $1, I picked it up. This one did have some marks on it, and just took a little diaper wipe, made sure I could clean it. So it's perfect. I like the little side things. It does have a little bit of a patchwork kind of look to it, so hopefully it'll do well. Is this my other one? Are you? Yes, the sack. So again, I told you I found 2. Here's the other one, just a little over the shoulder, satchel style, and it has this metal one, which I've never had on any of my sacks before. So, but yeah, just a little black. All right. This one, again, over this shoulder. It is a leather Kenneth Cole reaction. Sorry, guys. There you go. And it has some studded detailing. So, woohoo. All right, on to my best finds of the week, or I feel. Anyway, we'll see. So, I'm to the point where I feel like, okay, I can start expanding and trying other things. So I will be doing more of that. I will be purchasing less items and sending them and doing other things with them. So, yeah, check out my year-end video because that's what I'm going to give you some of my ideas. Anyway, I picked these up. These are called a Glacier Converse. They're like an ice blue, a glacier color. These were listed on Etsy for $146. If I can't find the value on my ThreadUp app, I will just Google it, and then go to your shopping, and then all of the items come up. So for me, that's what I would rather do because I'm not just selling on one platform, and I don't like Poshmark's comps. This is a size men's 10, which would be a women's 12. I will be listing them under both, and we will see how they do. I paid $7.79, was it? $7 somewhere. All right, did I miss it? Yes, $7.79, but I got 20% off that. Don't forget, check and see if your stores do coupons. All right. This, I thought was going to be a Christmas present, but it doesn't fit. It is a Brighton leather belt, and it says medium size 30. I'm going to do the measurements on it because I don't believe it is a 30. Anyway, cute little, buckle. And, we've all seen the belts that have where you can, either it's that or it's that, right? Well, this one has a little bit more fun details to it. I can twist it and make it so that it's all one, or I can twist it and have it different, and you can twist it and have it the opposite. So, it's however you want to make this belt. So like there's 4 belts in one. So I thought that was really super cool. I did pay $5.49 for it plus 20% off. But yeah, I think I should be able to sell it for, I'm going to list it pretty high. I might list it. If you haven't, Poshmark does have those where when you're searching for items, you can put in a dollar amount. Well, it goes by like 50 and 100. So if you're like at a breaking point, you want to make sure you're at a breaking point that like that 50, you get put into both price brackets. I think it was Mogi Beth that said that. Anyway, there you go. All right, my last and favorite item for this week happens to be, it's right here, and all it has is a motorcycle as its logo and name. So I actually had to put this out onto Instagram to get some help. Thank you for helping me, because I'm like, I have no idea who this is. I had Googled everything, motorcycle logos, I could not find it. So thank you for helping me. I wish I would have looked at your name, because then I could have gave you credit. So anyway, I got these for $17.79 plus 20% off. They are motorcycle combat boots, and they have side zippers here. Yes, this being a very trendy style, I decided I was going to pick them up. I was a little disappointed. I found out the brand happens to be OCC, Orange County Choppers. Now, when I Googled and looked up the boots, they were priced lower than really what I thought they were going to be, somewhere at 50, somewhere at 60, and I want to list them higher, like at 100. So maybe not that high, I don't know. But when I researched the prices on these, and the thing that came up, nobody in their listing actually mentioned the fact that this is the brand that the TV show American Choppers had. So I think that will be an edge when I put that in my listing, American Choppers, because I am sure there is a lot of fans out there, and that might make a big difference in how these sell. So I'll keep you posted. Anyway, that's it. That's everything. Like, I have so much stuff, I really shouldn't be shopping anyway. Anyway, guys, today's like the 21st. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday. And yeah, check out my video on my thoughts for this coming year and my year in review. And until next time, thanks for joining me.